Here we have an Ingersoll Rand 120-gallon horizontal compressor, and we're going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. So we tested the unit. It does operate. It operates very well. It just got a little shipping distress, and I'm going to show you right now with this little switch here, this plastic bracket that broke off. You can probably still use it or just replace the switch. And then on the other side here, the shroud for the intercooler is bent up. The intercooler right here is bent a little bit on the fins, but it doesn't appear to affect the proper operation. There's no leaks or anything like that. So we're going to call it like strictly cosmetic. It can be either replaced or possibly repaired. It's probably better that you replace it. Other than that, it's in really good condition. It's a 230-volt 3-phase. And it has a automatic water valve on here. You just set that. We did test that. That does operate very nicely too.